How to fix Cash App transfer failed. So I'm going to explain 4 reasons why you might be getting this issue and how you can fix them. So the most common one is poor internet connection. So if you want to test your internet connection, you can just go around the application, click on different pages and see if it loads fast. If it loads fast, then it's probably not your internet connection. But just to be safe, if you are using Wi-Fi, you might want to switch to mobile data to check if that makes a difference and fixes the transfer failed issue on Cash App. Now that was the first reason why you might be getting this. The second reason might be because of insufficient funds. So if you don't have enough money in your bank account that you're trying to transfer money from, then that's another reason why you might be getting this issue. So just go to your linked banks, see which bank account you've linked or which card, see if you have money on it, and just confirm that you have enough funds that you want to transfer. Now that was the second reason. The third reason might be because of your app being outdated. So if you can just go to the App Store, just make sure that your app is up to date. If there is an update there, then you can click on update and just update it. And the last thing that you can do to fix this transfer failed issue in Cash App is by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. You want to go to linked banks, and right here just confirm that your credit card details or debit card details are actually up to date, that you haven't mistaken anything. If you want to be super sure, you can remove the card from here. You should see an option to remove the card and just relink it by writing the account number, the expiration date, CVV, as well as your zip code. So those are 4 things you can try to fix the transfer failed issue on Cash App. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.